Good morning! Ay, ka-cute ni Monak. Good morning, guys. Ay, naayon na. Medyo naayon na yung namdad. Good morning! Ang cute-cute. Kagwapa, oy. Oh, it's Sunday today. Wala mo nang swimming si baby today. Tinawagan mo? Wala. Kailang?
Hindi na ako.
Huh? Wala muna siyang swimming kasi meron siyang lips ay dito sa pisngi niya. Parang may rashes. Pero pagaling na. Nabimbok mo. So today punta kaming saan tayo papunta? Nan. Punta kaming movie world. Oopsie. Oh, it's okay. Yak na. Okay. Nan. Oh no! So cute ni bebe. Oh, si ate nakabihis na. Ready na. Gumala. Ready na gumala. Hello! Hello! Daan muna tayo ng Costco. Bili si daddy ng pizza. Uy, kutang na po. Cheese. Bili si daddy ng pizza.
Not cheese.
Here's a Costco. Ay, nako. Katulog ko na ko.
What type of pizzas do they even have? They only have like cheese.
Meat lovers ata. Ano, tulog ang aming princess. Ang aming princess tulog. Si ate ay sig katawa sa likod ambot. Unsa kay iyang ginakatawa?
I want to eat one now.
Ang bilis.
Pizza mo nay. Palit mo pizza nay.
Dali raman lagi dad.
Ang sulod eh.
Let's go. Wow. Pizza. Cheese pizza from Costco. Pila de? Pila? 15 gapon? 16? Yummy.
It's a deal.
Yeah. Let's go sa movie world.
Flash.
No.
Superman. Si Flash.
Dito na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo. Kinain na nila yung pizza dito sa labas. Kain muna. Sarap. Sarap kasi mainit pa.
I miss pizza.
Ante Aya.
I ate it so slow. I'm almost done.
Nak.
Dito muna kami sa car. Kain muna.
Laway yun.
sila ate. Saka si Aya. Hindi na inapagkita siya. Si ate ito na.
That's gonna be the Wizard of Oz, I think.
How is it? Huh?
I just closed my eyes so I didn't see.
Had love? Oh.
Watching the ad at the Joker.
Gamay lang di ay.
Yeah.
So guys. Bili sila ng churros. Nandun si Batman. Okay. Isa daw? Di ka? Sabi yan.
Budod na ikong sailor.
Oo.
Sabo ka!
Ayan sa Aya, uy. Sa Aya, bayan.
Di daw garan si Aya. Tara, tara. Yame.
It looks so cute.
Asa?
There's gonna be a show at the 21st.
Wala.
There's gonna be a show at the
Fourth. Next ride. Wild West 4.
Saan ang pork kabok ni sa taas? So weird.
Sakay ka na, dire? Yeah, it's closed.
It's so empty.
Yeah.
Where's the
Closed.
Where's the Dubin tubig ko? Right, test this seat before riding. Oh, see. Grabe lang sa tubig.
Asa?
Ano ba? Punuan nila.
Dito
pa sa side.
Sarado. Walang tubig. No water. Kain tayo boiled eggs. Boiled eggs. Kuya. Pahinga mo na. Kaon daddy.
Too much salt.
Oo, gamay lang. Kaon dad.
Sakay pa ang Joker.
Sakay daw daddy sa Joker.
It's a Joker.
Are you Nicole Jokic, Dada?
That ride is a Joker, you know?
Hey, tell the truth, Mommy. While you just say, I'm okay.
Okay na ba ito, mami?
Ooh, Daddy, ooh, that thing costs like so much, you know, Daddy.
Ay, nako.
That's true.
Little baby princess.
Nakasakay ka mo sa una dito?
Si Am-Am. Boring daw kaayo.
It's really slow. It goes like this. Wala na? Wala siya ka... Ay!
Slow daw kaayo. Sakay sila dito.
You know the next called the claw?
That one's scary.
Oh, kato, grabe to. Itong sa Dream World nak na.
This one wasn't scary because it's like locked in, like you're
Close,
not on
man.
the side. Almost they're making it faster now because it was really slow.
Oh, basin mo na ilang game maintenance na.
Yeah, but it's been in maintenance for so long.
It went like this last time.
Oh, AJ!
Patuyo ka na kanan.
We're not making any.
Very good! Ikaw to!
I got
Nakano si ate? Oo. Pick.
pink unicorn.
Yellow!
Pick ate. Blue. Wow! Happy si ate. Oh. Yun na ano ni ate, oh. Wala ata na makukuha to.
Sayang.
Libaya, oy.
24th of June and 21st of July.
Oo. Unicorn.
Touch sa naong na. Touch lang, touch ate.
Tatate. Aww.
Like a big unicorn.
Libaya.
Sweetie, love
Sweetie.
No, I remember that.
Cute.
Okay ka, carousel.
Close?
Actually close?
Huh? Oh, eh. Close na sad. Sweetie.
What's closed? Acme.
Kukititi. We're home, guys. Tulog si baby. Tulog kayo. We're home. Tulog si baby. Dinner for today, guys. Steak. Sarap. Rum. Rum steak. Yummy. Meron din tayo ditong gulay. I-ano ko lang to. Ang tawag dito de? Igisa? Igisa. Oh, igisa ko lang to. Yum, yum, yum. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye!
Maura to, bye-bye. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog sa dinner. So, ito na lang yung vlog natin.
Okay, bye.
Dessert na lang. Kalimot do ko eh. Purot na mong steak. Ako ba na dyan? Bye guys.
Okay, bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.